Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a system of equations, and we're asked what is the value of x plus y. So the easiest way to do this, I think, is using elimination. So we take this equation on the bottom, we have x plus 2y is equal to 4. And then we want to take the first equation and multiply it by some number so that when we add the two equations together, one of the variables is going to eliminate. It's going to cancel out. So if we multiply this by 2, we get 2 times 2x is 4x, minus 2 times y is minus 2y, and this is equal to 2 times 8 is 16. And therefore, when you add these equations, we have x plus 4x is 5x, 2y plus negative 2y is 0, so the y's cancel out, is equal to 4 plus 16, or 20. Divide both sides by 5 to get x on its own. These values cancel, and we get x is equal to 20 divided by 5, or 4. So this is the value of x. We're not asked what the value of x is, we're asked what x plus y is, so we just have to solve for y. And luckily we can just plug x into one of the equations, so if we get x plus 2y is equal to 4, we know that x is equal to 4, we get 4 plus 2y is equal to 4. Subtracting 4 from both sides to get y on its own, these cancel, but also these cancel. So on this side, we just have 2y. On this side, we have 4 minus 4, which is 0. Divide both sides by 2. This cancels, and you get y is equal to 0 divided by 2, or 0. So if x is equal to 4, and y is equal to 0, x plus y is equal to 4 plus 0, or 4. So in the system of equations, what is the value of x plus y? 4, or b, is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.